Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a high-performance real-time train in AVEVA InTouch 2023. If you are still using the old-school real-time trained objects, it's time for an upgrade. Let's get started. I use a previous project to do this job. In this project, I create classic train. Okay, today I just use this project to create train the client. Okay, first we confirm here. Historic login is marked enable. Historic login. So historic log file I use the trained test. Okay, here. Then compare. We create new temple window. New one is test. Okay. Test. Then go to here. Industrial graphic. Create a new graphic. Is the trend. Okay. Double click trend. Then we go to the tools. The last one is the trend client. Double click. Okay. Make it large. We double click this trend client. We can find this animation interface display. Okay. We go to historic source. We choose InTouch log history. Okay. Now first add, then mark InTouch. Now name we use test. Is path. We double click. We choose. Go to menus. Here. The trend test. Okay, use this trend test. Okay. Then go to pen. Add the pen. First one, brush. Here, double click here. We choose brush. Okay. Then here, pen is the brush. Discrete unit. That bad is minimum is 0. Maximum is 250. Okay. Is the color we use blue. Okay. Use blue. It's white. We choose 2. Okay. Here historic story. In here we test. Okay. Then here tag. We just take a splash. Pressure. We can double click here. Oh no. Okay, second one is temperature. Temp. In here. Okay. And here is the temperature. Description. temperature in minimum, size is 0, maximum date is 100. Okay, we choose in here black. Okay, temperature black. Then his source test is here. We choose temperature. Okay, then go to appearance. We use not a single tag mode. We just use 2 tags, so we do this unmark. Okay, it's allow the highlight. We just unmark in here. I should mark. We use white. Okay, then wrap color is okay. Then go to option, show the pane selection. Okay, in here. Okay, option here. Nothing here. 2 is 2. Okay, that's it. So we can save. We close. We go to mains test in here. So we need this one. It's 2 tag. First one is the blue. Second one is dark black. Okay, we can try. Free model. Okay. Look, here is running. It's 250. That's it. Okay, that's it. Today I just show you this the train client how to create. Is much simple than the classic train create. Okay, the keyword just in here configure. In here should be train test. We can go here train test. In here should be how is the database in here. Okay, thank you very much.